Hey guys, it's Dominique and thank you for coming back to my channel. I truly appreciate it. Today's video is a dye my natural hair video. So, as you guys know, I have like 2 or 3 videos on how to dye my hair. And it was using the same product, Bigen Oriental Black. I've been using that dye for like 10 years. But I did feel like my edges were thinning out just a little bit, especially like this little shape. My hairline is a little bit weird to me, and I kind of got a patch missing because I burned my scalp when I was dipping my hair in hot water for some crochet braids, and that patch of hair never kind of grew back. It looked like it's grown back a little bit, but not much. Now, a month and a half ago, another creator by the name of SISTAWITHREALHAIR, I believe that's her name, I'll leave it somewhere on the screen, and her channel link down below. She was talking about how she had been using the same box dye and had been dyeing her hair this Oriental jet black for years, but she developed a bald spot. She couldn't figure out what was going on. She didn't change anything else in her routine or anything in her routine, and she had like this, it was a nice size bald spot and her edges were thinning. But I started to see other videos and other women in the comment section talking about how they noticed their hair was getting a little thinner, their edges were thinning out, they had bald spots as well. So basically what I'm saying is I love the Bigen dye. Like, I love it. For like 10 plus years, that's the only black hair dye I have ever used. Not gonna take a chance on using that product. So yeah, and I kind of feel like my edges are starting to get a little bit more filled in. I don't know, but pretty much I'm not gonna take a chance. So I picked up this other dye that I had to wait basically 3 weeks on Amazon for, and it's the Cream of Nature Moisture Rich Hair Color with Shea Butter Conditioner in Jet Black. C10 Jet Black. I hope it gets my hair jet black. I really do. Because this right here, this is brown. My hair is brown. I don't like that. If I want to be brown, I'm going to be brown. Like honey blonde brown. Like if we had to put it on a color chart, like number 4 brown. Like brown. You get me? If it's not going to be like that type of brown, it has to be black. It has to be black. I can't do in between. I feel like, plus I am trying to put in some twist, and the hair that I bought is what? Jet black. 100% great coverage, liquid permanent hair color, leaves hair in better condition, multi-dimensional color, radiant shine. Let me see. So I would say I am at a medium brown right now, and that black isn't even black enough. I need Bigen to get it together. Moisture Rich Hair Color, ammonia free. Moisture Rich Hair Color. You get the 20 volume cream color developer. This is the Cream of Nature Moisture Rich Hair Butter. Pour all the ammonia free coloring into the cream color developer bottle. See, I ain't had to do all this in quite some time. All I had to do was add water. That was it. Now I'm a chemist. Shake vigorously. Right off the bat, definitely gotta get this front. I don't know, I'm starting to feel like I should have got to It's kind of thick. And it's pulling out my hair. This tip is jagged. Okay, that's my fault for that. Oh, I feel like I should have got 2 boxes. I don't know. Why didn't I get 2 boxes? What the hell was I thinking? Okay, so yes, I did put a little bit, a little bit on my eyebrow. Cause look, it's a transformation. Okay, I needed it. Anyway, let me stop scratching my head. I still have a lot of it left. Like I want to say, right here. Like that's how much I have left. I have dyed everything clearly. Like there's nothing else for me to dye. I can already tell my hair is way darker than it was when we initially started. Like there's nothing else for me to dye. Even the tips of my ears are dyed, and I got my perimeter so many times. I got every follicle. If I didn't get a piece of hair or a section of hair, it was literally the devil. Other than that, I have got every piece of hair, because when you work it in, it's, you know, slipping through. At first I didn't feel like it was going to be enough, but this actually was pretty good so far. I'm about to go ahead, let this sit for a minute. So a quick recap of the Cream of Nature hair dye with the shea butter conditioner. I did like the conditioner. The scent is a little bit strong in my opinion, this whole mango butter, but I'm kind of sensitive to scents anyway. I would get this again by itself, like as a single product. I did like this. This was super hydrating. Did go ahead and add some of the Suave Professional's Deep Replenish Moisturizing Conditioner. I love this stuff. I had conditioner more. I also shampooed with the Carol's Daughter Chocolate Smoothing Sulfate Free Shampoo, and this is supposed to help with color. I forgot I had Joico. I could use the Joico instead of this, but this is still good. It doesn't smell like chocolate or chocolate to me, but it's still a really good shampoo. That my hair is black. It is black, and I'm really happy with the results. I didn't have high hopes for this, to be honest. I've seen other reviews obviously, but I don't know, I just felt like, one, after I ordered it, I'm like, I should have got 2 boxes. That's the first thing. Second thing was, when I started to apply it, I said, yeah, I really should have ordered 2 boxes, because it didn't have a slip to it. I'm used to the other product, the other dye. As soon as you touch it, it literally just saturates the hair. This, not so much. You really have to work it in, but you can see it dyeing your hair immediately, which I like. So the results are quick. The hair color, the payoff, is really black. I really like that. I even look somewhat healthier, even though my skin is crazy. my neck all wet, I would get this again. I'm willing to try out other hair dyes because I'm not going back to Bigen. I don't think I'm gonna take that chance. Usually I'm like, you know what, let's just give it one more go, let's try it out one more time. But it's other people. The consensus is with my fellow black women that they losing their hair in chunks, bald spots, and their edges is thinning, and my edges was feeling a little thin themselves. I don't need to try it again, so I'm cool on y'all. I'm good, love. I'm good. I'm not gonna try it again. Hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified as soon as I upload a video. If you have another box dye brand that you think I should try, go ahead and leave a comment down below.